Beetle is an iconic car that represents freedom and fun. It's been a great first car to millions, and that's why we picked it to represent the next stage of our gatherings. After a launch team has set up its Vespa connected community and grown to around 20 people, it's time to trade for a Beetle. A Beetle is just big enough to drive a few friends around, and it's a great next step. The Beetle is small, flexible gathering for around 20 to 80 people that needs to have all the same structures as its Vespa community, only just a little bigger. A couple of examples could be the engine in the back represents the committed Christians in the launch team. The shock absorbers are the young people. The indicators, when used properly, let other drivers know where the car is going, and that represents our communications team. The doors are the welcoming team. And the fuel for the car is prayer and the Bible, God's Word. There's another main difference though. The startup of a formal service needs good leadership and a launch team of committed Christians who are willing to serve in the gathering and invite others to join. It also needs legal requirements and a location that has the most visibility to the outside community as possible. It also needs finances, but let's just call that one lots of money, so that it can pay for a pastor and a place to meet. It's important that a Beetle has all of these things to build momentum. This can be a long-term option for a church if it grows to over 70 people. However, if it stays below 30 in the long term, it's a little bit fragile, as only 1 or 2 families being away can make it hard to run. We have 2 Beetles at Soul Revival, Cronulla and Yarrawarrah. I go to Yarrawarrah and we have up to 15 people a week visit for coffee from our caravan. Over time, people stay and chat with Christian members of the church, even while the service is on. The best part of the Beetle is that we're less likely to grow through transfer growth from other churches, and we're more likely to grow within the community from non-Christians coming along. We'll be talking about all of our gatherings, no matter what stage they're at our upcoming planning day on Saturday, 17th of September. I'm really hoping that you can all join us there, one way.